Hello, Sean.
Well, hello.
How are you?
I'm doing good. I'm doing really good.
So
Excited to talk to you.
great, great. So you want to start our services?
Yes, actually, I do, and been looking forward to doing it. I've done a lot of research, and your company, and your service seems to be, uh, right down the alley of what I've been looking to do.
Why you think that this type of a services it's a good way to meet a life partner from Ukraine? Why it's better than another website services?
Well, because first of all, you're the buffer. You interview the girls. I get to talk to a live person, and I get that human interaction versus, let's say, writing letters where you may only get a still photo of someone, and that's to me, being able to read someone's body language and facial expressions tells a story that you can never get in letters.
True, true. So, great, Sean. Wishing you a wonderful day and thanks for your good words.
Oh, thanks. Appreciate it.